How to Turn Off Camera on TikTok Live, Step-by-Step Guide, 2025. Narration. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more quick TikTok tutorials. If you're going live on TikTok and want to turn off your camera, here's the exact way to do it in 2025. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon to start creating a video. Swipe to live and start your live stream as usual. Step 2. Once you're live, look at the bottom or side menu on the screen. Tap the camera icon. Step 3. Select Turn Camera Off or Audio Only mode. Your camera will instantly turn off, and viewers will only hear your voice. Important to know, TikTok does not allow starting a live directly with camera off for most accounts. You must start the live first, then turn the camera off. Extra tip, if you don't see the camera off option, update TikTok to the latest version and restart the app. Some features depend on account eligibility and region. Summary: go live, tap camera icon, turn camera off, continue live with voice only. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment live fixed below.